Ni.
Kau so Friday. Tambah kam duit lah singkang am tas ni.
Kublai yepi manga Melvin Mukim nakafilm haling kabneng nakumen ban pentip shapi ba nginwan rab yang sashi ni ka film ha ususo tham auditorium naruga khapra tarik adu lifeway tarik ubnai jamang ki por kilong khanar baje mensngi ar baje mensngi san baje janmiet bat hanyo baje demiet turmen manya kendu biang yepi sashi sin
ki khubor kapatisi TV Ka East West Group of Institution Bangalore, ka khot admission nakamta ka nursing but paramedical course, ka bala ithu da ka Indian Nursing Council, ka buy admission ka badunatam, but she's pa percent ka jinyokam. Phyllaw ban apply da ka education loan.
U MLA ka Mawkyrwat constituency, u ba renik tan lingdo tangkhar, haka khandai truk jomang aja pon riu, ula plipat ba ya ki ATM machine, ha Phyllaw jong ka Ophis, Deputy Commissioner, ban pensuk iki pat ba. Haka jinglang ka balingkot asa khilang da Deputy Commissioner ka South West Khasils upa B Maulong u Branch Manager ka State Bank of India Mawkyrwat Branch u P Gogoy bat ki bayde ki officer sarkar.
If anyone wants to draw cash, I think it's ready. Is it ready? It's ready. You can draw. Sorry, we are clicking the pin.
Mornings are always busy. Everything feels fast. I hear mom shouting and I'm trying not to be late. Outside, Shillong is already awake. Cars move slowly, horns are loud. It feels like everyone is in a hurry. Then the STEMS bus comes in, bright and yellow, always on time. The caretaker waves and I feel okay. Inside, we laugh and sing. We share snacks. We help each other with homework. It feels nice. My parents know I'm safe through the STEMS app on mom's phone. Because this bus isn't just a ride. It takes us to school, with friends, and a little bit of home. This is STEMS, our ride, our future.